What's going on, guys? We're outside today at Rugged Aluminum Trailers. I wanted to show you this 5-foot by 10-foot utility trailer. This trailer has the optional 21-inch full height perimeter rail and an aluminum tread plate side. You're going to be able to put your lumber, your loam, your rock, whatever you want in here under that 21 inches is going to be secured. If you follow me up front, this couple is going to receive a 2-inch ball. We have a 5,000-pound jack and a full tubular frame. It's a 4-inch by 2-inch tubular frame. All the wiring runs into the frame, so 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, you're not going to be worried about the wiring. It's all in there, protected from the New England winters. And then it comes out to this insulated cable with the 4-way flat to plug right into your vehicle. We do a lot of little things at Rugged that I don't think everybody notices, or you may not notice until you're 5 or 10 years into your ownership. But one of the nice features is, rather than just using cheap galvanized chain, we go the extra mile on a premium trailer. We put the shielded cable on here. When it's not in use, it's going to coil up. It's always going to look nice, and it's not going to be dangling all over the road. Axles. On this trailer, we have a 3,500-pound torsion axle. It's going to be derated to 2990 since we don't have brakes in this trailer. This trailer only weighs 740 pounds. What's nice about the Torflex torsion axle is that when it's unweighted and you have such a light trailer, it's going to ride real nice on the road. It's not going to require having weight in the trailer to provide that smooth ride like a sprung axle would. Aluminum fenders, 15-inch aluminum mod wheel, radial tire, really good rubber. This trailer has a bifold ramp. It's a pretty nice auto latching system, so there's no pins or anything to lose. So basically all you have to do, lift that ramp up, fold it down, and it's going to auto latch. Simple as that. You follow me into the bed. One of the questions we get asked a lot is the aluminum decking going to be slippery? We've paid special attention to the grip pattern to assure that the coefficient is slip resistant enough. And if you notice here, it's a really raised pattern. Rather than drilling into this decking with a flush mount tie down, we opted for these special L-track tie downs. It's basically just a pin in the center. You lift it up, it comes right out. You can slide it back in. It's going to hold 1,700 pounds. If you get any dirt and debris in there, you just easily blow it out. It's a real nice feature, and customers have been really happy with that product.